Today I'll be teaching you the basics of CapCut in 10 minutes. So this is a video for beginners who don't know much about editing with CapCut and trying to get into it. I will be going through effects, transitions, and how to make clean edits with keyframing and color adjustments. So hopefully after this video, you'll get a clear understanding of CapCut so you can start creating your own viral videos. Let's get right into it. So once you open your first project, this is the first thing you'll meet. To the right, we have the plus icon. This is where we can click to add our media. Now everything that we want to edit is on the timeline. So if you want a layout to be changed, like you want, for example, this clip to start first, click, drag and hold, and then we just drag it to the start. CapCut on phone doesn't have this media pool, so you have to manage everything on the timeline. You can also add more videos as you progress with editing. You can add your music in two ways on CapCut. The first way is to add music to a video. To that, we click on audio, click on extract, and then select the video that you want the audio to. So we'll click on this one and click on extract audio. Now the audio from the video is right here, as you can see. Another way is if your audio is a normal audio file. Then we click on audio, do the same thing. We go to sounds this time. And here we can click on this folder and go to device. Here you can search up whatever music you have on your device. So for me, I want to just this one. I'm gonna click on this blue plus icon. So now that we got the music and we got our files, we can change our aspect ratio. So if we were to, for example, edit videos for TikTok, for example, we will scroll down below until we see aspect ratio. We'll click the aspect ratio, and here we can see all the different aspect ratios for different social medias. For example, I'm gonna click the TikTok aspect ratio, and then we'll get it like it's a phone. We can then click the video and then scale it by just dragging it. And this will apply for every single video. So let's get to actual editing. A cool thing about CapCut is that they offer a lot of different animations and effects and transitions. We can get to use them by just clicking the clip we want to add the animation to and just select animations. Here we got a lot of in animation or out animations or combo animations. I like to use the in and out animations as you have a lot more control. The blue diamond says basically that this is a subscription needed to use them. We'll stick with the features that are free. You can also adjust the time you want the animation to last. So based on how long your video is, that's how long you can make your animation. Next, I want the video to end right here. We simply click on split. Now we got two different clips. So we can also make this a little bit higher quality, and by that, we go to adjust, we click on graph. Here's where we can change our black and change our whites. Is the first, so if you, for example, select here, then a node will add there. If you drag it to the left, then it becomes brighter, and if you drag it to the right, darker. So we want this to have like a true black, like so. Now you can see that the shadow is a lot more darker and the whites are a lot more brighter. So let's add transition. Let's move from this video clip to the next video clip. We'll click on this. And here we got a lot of different transitions we could add. So I chose this animation right here, which looks like a paper that is just ripping. You could also adjust the length of your transitions. Now we could, for example, play with speed because this looks a little bit boring right here. We'll click on the clip. We go to speed, and here we got normal, curve, and velocity effects. I'll first show you how you can do this without a pro subscription, and then I'll show you how you can do it with a pro subscription. Without the pro, we'll first find the place where we want the video to start speeding up. So for me, it will be around here, split, and then we'll find the part where we want the video to stop speeding, which will be around here. Now we got this clip right here, we'll select it, and then go to speed, and then go to normal. Here we can adjust on how fast we want the video to go or how slow. So we put this around. You can see on the left right here. So we start with duration 2.7. Now the duration is 0.7. Yes. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. I like this. I like this. For pro version, you don't need to cut where you want the video to start speeding up and where you want it to end. You just select the clip, go to speed, and go to curve. We will make our own curve, so we'll select custom and select edit. Here we got this. The benefit with using curves is that you don't have to delete the animations. You can have the animation which goes through the whole video without you needing to delete it because you have to cut it. Because when you cut the video, the animation play over again. So we'll just drag this white line and find where we want our video to start speeding up, which is around here. We'll click on add beat on the top of the right just before the place we want to speed it up. Drag it up. You can also select the other ones and stretch them. So you just play around. The benefit of this is it's a lot more smoother. We now have the video with the full animations also inside. To make your video pop a little bit more, we could also add sound effects. Audio, we click on sound effects. In here we have a lot of different sound effects. Because I saw this video where the sun is shining on the back of the car, I'm gonna search bling. So now we got this audio right here. Yeah, this is nice, I like this. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how you can create your own movements. The video is moving a lot slower here. We can make it move a lot faster. This button right here, this is called a keyframe. With keyframes we can create our own movements on the timeline, on the video. So for this video, we want this to move out a lot more faster. The thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to the end of the clip and add a keyframe right here. Then we are gonna select the clip and just zoom in a lot more into the video. Now we go to the part where we want the movement to end. Right here we can just adjust the video with your fingers and make it look like how you want it to look when the keyframe ends. I want it to be like this, and our keyframe automatically should be added. If not, you just press the add button. Now you can see that the video moves a lot more faster. Same thing is, this video also goes all slow. We want to speed up this video, so we go to normal and then we'll just drag. 2.9 also nice. So I want to play around with text. I want a text that is in front of this car but behind this car. How do we do this? First, we select this video and we'll go duplicate it. We just select the duplicated version and then we'll go to overlay and click overlay. Now this video is appearing as an overlay and then we'll select it over the same video. Now we'll click the overlay and scroll until you see remove background. We'll click on custom removal, which is the free one. You can also do the pro version, which removes automatically, but this works mostly for humans. We'll click on this and click on brush. Right here we just brush on what we want to stay on clip while all of the other things are being removed. So I want this car to stay. To make some changes, you can just select erase. Alright, so I got mine ready. I'm gonna click on check, and now it's applying the feature. And it's removed. You don't see nothing because the clip is on top of each other and it's the same clip. And we can also add transition between our clips. Now let's play with the text. We'll select text, add text, and just type whatever you want. I'm gonna just type this one. Scale the text to however you want by just dragging it. So now to add the text behind, because right now the text is in front. We want this to be behind the front bumper of the car. We'll select the text and we'll find layers. Here we just select and hold and drag the text above car layer. And right now you see that our text is behind our car. Keep in mind that you can also do animations on your text by just selecting it and click on animations. Of course this doesn't look the best, but this is a nice way to brand yourself. Let's now do the last thing by adding effects. So we click on effects, we click on video effects, and here we got a lot of them. We can, for example, play around with... I'm gonna just add this one right here. I'm gonna scroll this until I want it on this clip right here. And then I want the effects to end like here. I mean, it works. It doesn't look like the best, but as you keep adding things, you'll see that the timeline is building up itself. So this is just an intro to CapCut. If you want a deeper version, I'm gonna make sure to make a video about it. Just let me know down below in the comments. Amazing thing is that I already made a video about me showing 10 CapCut tricks that you can do on your tablet or your phone. The video will be right here or down below in the description, so make sure to check it out. Show your support by liking, subscribing, and thank you for watching. Let's get into the editing.
Let's go.